In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in ClickUp quick and easy. By the end, you'll know how to add different types of columns, set the right options, and use them to make your lists far more useful without any confusion. First, open your workspace and head to the list view where your tasks live. If you're seeing a board or calendar, switch to the list tab at the top so everything is laid out in rows and columns. This is the view where columns really shine, because each one becomes a field you can fill out for every task. Look over to the far right of your columns. When you hover your mouse there, you'll see a small plus icon appear. That's the shortcut to add a new column. Click that plus and choose Add Column. A panel opens with lots of field types you can use. Think of these as different ways to capture data. Text for quick notes, numbers for counts, money for currency, ratings for feedback, and more. Let's start simple with a text field, the option described as adding important context in just one line. This is perfect for quick notes that don't belong in the description. Give your new field a clear, short name so teammates immediately understand it. Something like notes or context works well. You can type a sample value to preview how it looks next to your tasks. Before you create it, open More Settings and Permissions. This is useful if you want to control how the field behaves. Here, you can decide who's allowed to edit the field, and in some setups, you can limit editing to specific people or teams if needed. That keeps sensitive or standardized fields consistent. You can also review any defaults or visibility options so the field appears only where you want it. When you're happy with the settings, click Create. Your first new column appears instantly, and you can start adding quick notes to any task. Let's add another column, this time a money field to track amounts. Click the plus on the far right again. Choose the money field, and give it a name like income so its purpose is obvious at a glance. Click Create to add it to your list. You'll notice controls on the column header or near each value. Use those to pick your currency symbol and formatting. Choose the currency that matches your reporting needs, and set decimals if you want to show cents. Now, enter dollar values directly into the rows. Add one value for a task, then another for a different task. As you type, ClickUp handles the formatting for you, so amounts stay clean and consistent. Small tip: keep naming and formatting standards consistent across your team, so reports and roll-ups later are effortless. Let's go a little deeper with something more advanced. A lookup field. Click the plus again and choose the option to look up or summarize fields from other tasks linked by relationships. This is great when information lives on related tasks and you want to surface it without duplicating data. Think pulling a due date from a parent task or summarizing totals from subtasks. To set this up, you'll first define a relationship. Click Relationship